clinical examination and diagnosis. Why I have chosen this is also, again, it is very, very important in this today's scenario, because the patients will be now coming in a later period. So we have to have the thorough examination before that, the screening, the history recording, the record keeping, and the detailed case history, the detailed examination, and then charting of the cases, the which you can reschedule, which cases are urgent, which cases are emergency, accordingly you have to do. So I feel this case history taking, clinical examination and diagnosis is very, very important, because the correct diagnosis, it leads to the correct treatment, and you can be a successful dentist. So all these things, I did not go into the details because you all know. Only for the medical history, you have to be very, very careful, and as per the guidelines for COVID, you have to have, and please keep it safe with yourself. Then treatment planning, we all know it is again a theory question. So there are different phases of treatment plan: urgent phase, control phase, re-evaluation phase, definitive care phase, and the maintenance phase. So treatment planning, you have to do it. Then also there are few basic non-carious lesions of teeth, which you are supposed to know, because the patient comes to you, what is a hypoplasia? You have already studied in details in second year, but you must know what is a hypoplasia, what are different types, and what type of treatment you give. Then what is adhesion, what is abrasion, also what is erosion, and the affractions also. So this is all the basic lesions which you are supposed to know, because from the theory point of view, even for Viva, they can be asked, what is erosion? What is erosion? Okay, what is abrasion? What is attrition? What is affraction? Okay, because I am in Nagpur base, so we have many patients in our OPD. Our OPD is maybe of say 130 patients. So the 5% of it is they have the lesion of affractions, maybe because of the habit, and also it's a clinical study is going on.